Maria, nakamutan gid sa iya si Baldo.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
But Labang was fairly dancing with impatience and it was all I could do to keep him from running away. Oh, dumalo na si Labang maglakat. Ayan, give me the rope, Baldo, my brother Leon said. Maria, sit down on the hay and hold on to anything. So, ang ilagin sakyan, ang cart, no? Ang cart. Ang cart. Ahay, si Maria nga taga-syudad, ginpapungko sa hay, sa humay, no? And then, sa hilamon nga mala. Then, hay. Anong hay in ano man? In Hiligay nun.
Need backup.
So, hay. Not sure, verified. Dayami. Diba? Yeah. Google says it's Dayami. So, that's good.